How to drop a pin on Google Maps. Hey everyone, this is Lucy and let's get to the video. So in order to drop a pin, it's really easy. Go to the location and zoom in and long press the location and it will drop a pin. So here you can do many things. If you pull up this box upwards, you will see different options here like directions. You can see the directions from your current location to that particular location, and you can set your directory. Then after, you can save this particular location as your favorites, or you want to go travel plans or shared places. After you're done, you can click on done and you have now saved it as favorites. If you want to share this particular pin, then click on share and you can go ahead and select the method of sharing. Next thing you can do is click add a label. You can add this as your work or your home or your university, anything. Lastly, what you can do is you can download its offline map as well, or your visit activities to this particular. You can also see your visit activities to this particular location. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.